You just watched me crash 7 times in one day. And maybe you're crashing too. I think that's part of getting better. When I began flying, I had a crash that cost me a GoPro. And for a long time, I was scared of crashing again. And that really hindered my improvement a lot. I crash a lot more now than I did back then, but I also improve a lot more. Not being afraid to crash or knowing that you can repair if you crash is actually something that will make you improve as a pilot. I figured out that that was part of the hobby, and being afraid to crash will really slow your progression. Not being scared will make you improve a lot faster. If you look at the top pilots, you'll see that they often crash when they try new things. And if they're doing something more sketchy, they will also crash. They don't worry about it. It's annoying to lose a quad, I get that. When you're trying a new trick or try to go fast, you should be prepared for crashing and know that you either have a spare drone with you or you have enough parts to repair it if anything goes wrong. Having that in your bag will just help you take more risks and not being afraid of crashing. And that will make you improve so much faster than anything else. With that being said, get out there, get flying, and keep crashing.